Let's talk about creating menus. Menus are created in several ways. The main one is going to Appearances, Menus. And this is where you would find the two default menus, which are Main Menu and the Footer menu. And you can always create a custom menu. So let's click on Create New Menu. Give it a name. And click on Create Menu. Now from here you can either select pages that you want to list in the menu. You can select categories of your blog that you want to show in the menu, or you can even do posts, but probably not recommended, but it's really up to you. So let me do a couple of links. So I'll do these, and these, just as an example. There you go. You can easily click on them and move them into right position and arrange them in any order you want, and then click on Save Menu. And now we can add this menu anywhere. So let's go ahead and add it into the blog. So we'll go to Appearances and go to Widgets. And click on the blog sidebar. And all you have to do is drag the menu widget in there. So let's find the custom menu widget, put it in here, give it a title, and then select from the drop down. Here's our menu we just created. Save. And let's refresh our page. Scroll to the bottom, and here's the custom, oops. Here's the custom menu we created. Well, if it ever gets there. Here we go. Now, if we go back to the widgets, you also have to another type of a menu, which is really a list of categories, and there's two types. The widget is one for them, so it's categories, and it pulls all of the categories in the blog that have posts assigned to them. You have two options on how to display the menu. You can do it as a drop down, which is what this is right here. So you have a drop down, or you can do it as a basic menu, a list with a hierarchy. And this is what this menu is. So you can pick and choose whichever one you want. You have a lot of categories, so I'm guessing you're going to be using the drop down menu. So to remove it from the sidebar, all you have to do is click on delete, and that's it. So you just refresh, and the menu's gone. Now this menu here at the top is just another widget. So if we go back here, the very first widget in the area is called Menu Archive or and Tags. Let's do Test Menu. It's very good. It just helps with navigation. If people want to search by tags, for example, they can come and click here. Once you add tags, they will show up in here. Archives shows your posts by month, and then your menu, let's refresh, will show some of the important links that you think would be important to your visitors. So this is very easy to do. There's other widgets here you can play with. You can drag a banner in here, and you can add a link from the media library for the image, and then add a link right here and put an ad. You can do a tag cloud if you wanted to, instead of the triple menu, so to say, that's here. You can do a separate tag menu. And then if we click, there you go. And you can just play around, and once, like I said, you don't see any tags, but once you start adding tags, they will show up in here. So just play around, see which way you want to show it in the menu, and you have lots of options here.